Hindi siya maingay. May sinasabi siya. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, pero for almost 25 years, I've been an animal welfare advocate. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Barking isn't just noise. It's your dog's way of communicating. Sometimes, it's boredom kasi walang ginagawa. Minsan, alertness. Nakarinig ng bagong sound sa paligid. Minsan naman, anxiety. Kasi stressed or hindi comfortable sa kanyang surroundings. Ang importante, observe this when it happens. Hindi lang basta tahol. Observe bakit sila tumatahol. Hindi lang basta bored sila. Dagdagan mo ng play or mental stimulation. Kung anxious sila, gawin calmer ang environment. Kung alert, check kung may something na kailangan nila bantayan or kung may nakaka-stress sa kanila. Kung tinututukan natin ang dahilan, hindi lang natin malilesen ang tahol, matututo din sila na mag-react ng maayos sa mundo nila. Remember, listening to your dogs changes behavior. Mas naiintindihan mo sila, mas nata-trust, mas calm sila. Observe, address the cause, and stay calm. And you'll see the difference. Share this with a person na napapagod sa tahol ng mga aso nila.